Campbell, let's talk about Lumen Technologies and where you all fit into this ecosystem, and give us a state of the state about what are you seeing across this sector?
Thanks, Luke. I appreciate the question. So it's very interesting. If you come back from the Lumen history, we've been part of multiple government agencies providing MPLS networks, really focusing on that castle and moat topology, the legacy services of security on the outside. Your network itself is trusted, and there shouldn't be
That's
any
how we all know and love you.
That's exactly right. So we're recognizing the shift in the landscape, and certainly the zero trust architecture that's been put forward through the NIST 800-27 framework. We had to pivot, and being a network backbone service provider, it's ultimately recognizing that we have a lot of value to bring to the zero trust architecture overall, but there's no endpoint and there's no end device solution for every single agency. So we're there to help support and deliver those capabilities. So from Lumen's perspective, we're one of the world's largest internet service providers, and we have our internet service network that's integrated with our Black Lotus Labs platform that actually allows us to capture zero-day security vulnerabilities that we can ultimately incorporate into our security operations teams to be able to communicate any type of incidents that take place inside of a particular agency. We also offer a framework for an acquisition strategy to obtain zero trust architecture frameworks using the EIS contract, leveraging Black Lotus Labs, our security operations team, our partners that can help build out those policy enforcement points, and then fully integrated with our security operations team, where we have a SIM and SOAR function that at least allows some level of automation for those endpoint devices. It's key, though, as part of zero trust to be certain that you have strong authentication, that you have identity management. And that's where we're going to be partnering with a lot of our other partners in the marketplace to ensure that we have that capability to bring that all-encompassing offer. And again, our goal is to make sure that we have that acquisition approach, that we can provide a fully managed service offering. Ultimately, agency CISOs have the responsibility of delivering that authority to operate to their agency. Part of the Lumen portfolio is offering managed services support that would aid the agency CISOs in development of the system security plan and documentation to allow for that zero trust framework to be adopted into that agency's portfolio.